Good morning. So, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see that. But it's snowing, and it's supposed to snow a lot. Like, I think we're supposed to get like 4 more inches just during the day, and then later we're supposed to get, like tonight, we're supposed to get like 6 to 10 more inches. So that's pretty crazy. But right now, I have to clean my room and stuff, and oh my god. And I'm waiting for my dad to come because he's trading cars with me. Because right now I have my van, mom status, but the van uses like a lot of gas, and I have like a 20-minute drive to school every day. So yeah, but my dad's car doesn't use as much. It's like a Nissan Altima or whatever. But so I'm gonna start using that, and that will help with gas and stuff. But plus, honestly, it's a cooler car. And yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do today, but it's coming down a lot. You can't really tell, but it's kind of fun. Yeah, I like snow when it's like this, and we're hoping for like a snow day on Monday, because if it snows all weekend, then that would be like freaking lit for us to get a snow day Monday. But right now my dad's driving in this. It's super sketchy because he lives in like the next town, which is like 45 minutes to an hour away, and that's pretty sketchy, like this drive, because I had to make that drive on Christmas Eve and it was bad. Like the roads were really slick and stuff, but hopefully he gets here all right. And yeah, I'm gonna go inside now because it's cold. Okay, look at Penny's outfit. She's got her Uggs. Huh, Penny? She got her little jacket. Penny, come here. Okay, so here's the car. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be driving. There's a cat under here somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, he's under the other one. There goes the van. Me and my mom are about to watch Gilmore Girls. And we got pizza.
Vegan pizza.
Oh, you can't see it. Hold on. Yummy.
Vegan.
Okay, so I just woke up and look outside. Okay, you can't really see it, but the snow is still falling. Like, a lot. Yeah, you can't see it to the camera, but like, if you look over there, like, right there, that's my brother's car. That's like the same size as the car that my dad brought yesterday. I'm like bundled up so much. Like, okay, so I have my pajama shirt under this, then my jacket, then I have fuzzy socks on. Yeah, I'm cold in my leggings and stuff. I'll probably put more socks on later. Penny's just chilling though. She's chilling. Huh, Penny? Okay. Me and Penny are going out in the storm. It's actually not a storm, but alright. I look like I don't even know. Okay. Look how bundled up she is. I had to put like socks on her legs, that way she wouldn't get, oh my, I don't even know if I can open this. Look at it. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Go, Penny. That's not it. Let's go. Go, Penny. Go ahead. I'll go first. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to show you how deep it is. Okay, so look right here. That's like, you can like barely get out our door. It's just like, alright. This is my dad's car. Oh my gosh. Here's my brother's car. Oh my gosh. My neighbors are out there like... Okay. You just threw snow off the tree. Oh my god. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that, but it's crazy. And they said that we're supposed to get more snow tonight, but I don't know if that's true or not because it's like super sunny now. Like it's nice out now. So I don't know. Oh my god, it was so cold out there. So my mom just told me that it's supposed to snow Monday night, like 7 more inches. So we might have school Monday and maybe not Tuesday, but I'm really hoping for no school Monday because that would be really cool. So this is going to be the end of the vlog. So thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, watch my last video, and peace out.